Hi guys, today I'm going to go over pivot tables in Excel. When you have large volumes of data to analyze, pivot tables allow you to summarize and manipulate the data quickly and easily. I'll be using a sample set of data to show you the steps to creating and modifying a pivot table. With the use of pivot tables, you're going to want to start with data that is organized. In this sample data that I have here, it's organized by date, region, rep, item, units, unit cost, and total. You want to make sure that your data is in some organized fashion. To create a pivot table, go to the Insert tab of the ribbon. Click on Pivot Table, and then you'll be able to select a table or range. We're going to make sure to include the header and then go all the way down to the bottom of the chart. Hit OK. Once you scroll back to the top of your spreadsheet, you'll see where your pivot table will be inserted. To the right is your pivot table fields. This is where you will choose what will go into your pivot table and where. You can check next to them if you want them included. My preference is to drag and drop these items up here to go in the sections where I want them. I'm going to first summarize by region. I'm going to drag it down here into the rows section, and all of that data will be categorized by region in the row. Let's say I want to know how much in dollars we have per region. I'm going to take this total and drag it over to values. Now I can see by each region how many dollars there were. We can also subcategorize the regions. Let's pull the reps down into the rows as well. Now I can see by region, by rep, the total dollars for each. I can also move things around. Let's say I want to move the regions into the columns. Now I show the reps in the row and then categorized in each column by the region. Once you have your pivot table the way that you want it set up, you can easily change the rows and columns by clicking on the down arrow. You can choose just to have a few or put them all back in. You can also sort in whichever direction you want. If you want to change the look of your pivot table, you can go to Format as Table under the Home tab. Let's choose this one. And you can see that it formats it with those colors. Those are the basics of creating and modifying a pivot table. If you'd like me to go over a specific functionality of a pivot table in a future blog, please comment below or email me and I'd be happy to go over it.